The iPhone has come a long way. From its humble beginnings to the technological powerhouse it is today, Apple's flagship device has constantly pushed boundaries. And now, we stand at the cusp of yet another leap forward, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This latest iteration promises a blend of cutting-edge technology and design, further solidifying the iPhone's position as a leader in the smartphone world. With the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple seeks to redefine what a smartphone can be. The result is a phone that's not just an upgrade, but a statement. Join us as we delve into the intricate details of this highly anticipated device, exploring the features and advancements that set it apart. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is rumored to herald a new era of display technology for Apple microLED. This groundbreaking technology promises to revolutionize the viewing experience with its superior brightness, color accuracy, and energy efficiency. MicroLED utilizes microscopic LEDs to illuminate the screen, offering pixel-level control over brightness and color. This results in perfect blacks, vibrant colors, and incredible contrast ratios, surpassing even the best OLED displays. Unlike OLED, which uses organic materials, MicroLED relies on inorganic materials. This key difference translates to a longer lifespan for the display, with less susceptibility to burn-in and degradation over time. For users, this means a phone that maintains its visual brilliance for years to come. The transition to MicroLED is a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of display technology. The introduction of MicroLED in the iPhone 15 Pro Max is not just a spec bump. It's a strategic move that could redefine the future of mobile displays. Beyond the revolutionary MicroLED technology, the iPhone 15 Pro Max's display boasts impressive specifications. The 6.7-inch screen offers a resolution of 2796 by 1290 pixels and supports a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Whether scrolling or gaming, it delivers fluid visuals. Apple has employed its most durable glass yet, with a peak brightness of 2500 nits. The combination results in an unparalleled visual experience. The iPhone has consistently raised the bar for smartphone photography, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is no exception. This year, Apple has equipped the Pro Max with a new periscope lens, a technology long rumored to be in development. This innovative lens system allows for significantly improved optical zoom capabilities, bringing distant subjects closer with exceptional clarity. The periscope lens utilizes a prism to reflect light at a 90-degree angle, enabling a longer optical zoom range within the confines of a smartphone's slim profile. The primary wide-angle lens also receives a notable upgrade in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It now boasts a larger sensor capable of capturing more light and detail than ever before. The iPhone 15 Pro Max leverages the power of the A17 Bionic chip to process images with incredible speed and accuracy. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera system isn't just about individual lens upgrades, it's about a cohesive photographic experience. Apple has meticulously crafted each element to work in harmony, delivering a level of versatility and image quality that rivals professional cameras. One of the standout features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera system is its ability to seamlessly transition between lenses. This allows for smooth zoom capabilities, capturing a wide range of perspectives without any lag or interruption. The iPhone 15 Pro Max also introduces a new ProRes video recording mode, previously available only on higher-end iPhone models. This professional-grade video codec captures footage with higher color fidelity and dynamic range, providing filmmakers and content creators with more flexibility in post-production. Apple has also made significant strides in computational photography with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The A17 Bionic chip powers advanced image processing algorithms that enhance every photo and video you capture. At the heart of the iPhone 15 Pro Max lies the A17 Bionic chip, Apple's latest and greatest silicon marvel. This new chip is built on a 3-nanometer process, packing even more transistors into a smaller space. This translates to a significant boost in performance and efficiency, enabling the iPhone 15 Pro Max to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The A17 Bionic features a hexa-core CPU, with 2 high-performance cores for handling complex tasks, and 4 energy-efficient cores for everyday tasks. The A17 Bionic also boasts an upgraded GPU, with 5 cores dedicated to graphics processing. Games run smoother, videos render faster, and the overall visual experience is smoother and more responsive. The chip is designed to learn your usage patterns and optimize performance accordingly. The A17 Bionic also plays a crucial role in enhancing the iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera capabilities. Its dedicated image signal processor, ISP, works in tandem with the camera hardware to deliver exceptional image quality. The A17 Bionic chip's advancements extend far beyond raw speed and graphics performance. Apple has also made significant strides in machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI, with this new chip. The A17 Bionic features a dedicated neural engine capable of performing up to 16 trillion operations per second. This neural engine powers a wide range of AI-driven features including Face ID, Siri, and augmented reality (AR) experiences. With the A17 Bionic, Face ID is faster and more secure than ever before. Siri, Apple's voice assistant, also benefits from the A17 Bionic's enhanced AI capabilities. The A17 Bionic's AI prowess extends to AR experiences as well. Despite its increased performance, the chip consumes less power than its predecessors. The A17 Bionic chip is a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile silicon. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is rumored to feature a significant upgrade in battery capacity. The larger battery, combined with the energy efficiency of the A17 Bionic chip and the new micro-LED display, promises all-day battery life. It is also rumored to support faster charging speeds with a new USB-C standard. This allows for significantly faster charging times compared to previous models. Wireless charging is also expected to see improvements. Apple may introduce reverse wireless charging, letting you charge other devices. The iPhone 15 Pro Max aims to keep up with your demanding lifestyle. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to retain the overall design language of its predecessors, with its sleek, minimalist aesthetic and premium materials. However, subtle yet significant refinements are rumored to be introduced, further enhancing the phone's ergonomics and aesthetics. One notable change is rumored to be the use of titanium for the phone's frame. Titanium, a material known for its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio, would make the iPhone 15 Pro Max more durable while also reducing its overall weight. The camera bump on the rear of the phone is also expected to be less pronounced in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Another subtle yet impactful change rumored for the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the introduction of solid-state buttons. This technology would enhance the phone's durability, eliminating the possibility of button failures over time. The design changes rumored for the iPhone 15 Pro Max are not merely cosmetic. They represent a thoughtful evolution of the iPhone's design language. The use of premium materials like titanium, the reduction of the camera bump, and the introduction of solid-state buttons all contribute to a more refined and sophisticated aesthetic. These design choices reflect Apple's attention to detail and its commitment to creating devices that are a joy to hold and use. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's design is also expected to be more durable than ever before. The combination of a titanium frame, a more robust camera system, and solid-state buttons would make the phone more resistant to scratches, drops, and everyday wear and tear. The slimmer profile, the more comfortable grip, and the seamless integration of the camera system all contribute to a more enjoyable user experience. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's design is a testament to Apple's ability to innovate while staying true to its core design principles. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is poised to be more than just an incremental upgrade. It represents a significant leap forward in smartphone technology. With its rumored micro-LED display, periscope camera lens, a 17 Bionic chip, and refined design, the iPhone 15 Pro Max pushes the boundaries of what's possible in a mobile device. The phone's exceptional display promises a visual experience unlike anything we've seen before on a smartphone. The camera system, with its periscope lens and advanced computational photography capabilities, empowers users to capture professional quality photos and videos with ease. The A17 Bionic chip's raw power and AI prowess ensure a smooth, responsive, and efficient user experience, handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's refined design, with its premium materials, enhanced durability, and ergonomic improvements, complements the phone's cutting-edge technology. With its groundbreaking technology, stunning design, and unparalleled user experience, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is poised to set a new standard for the smartphone industry.